in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to simplify this path with all these anchor points. You might have grabbed the pen tool and gone in here and you could just hover over one of them and hit delete, right? And then you get rid of them that way. I'm going to undo that, and we're not going to do that. It's going to take all day. So I have the direct selection tool so we can see all these anchor points. I'm going to go up here to Object, go down to Path, and then hit Simplify. Now, it's already doing it. You can see you got a little thing here saying more or less anchor points. You know, so the lower you go, it could even start distorting the shape, which it is doing right here. You can see that, so you don't want that. So this is more, but we're gonna hit this guy, the gear, and now we're gonna open this up. This is cool because then you can get all kinds of this is basically the same sliders over here, but you can turn your preview on and off so you can see that, or you can just see the original path. So that's what it looked like with all those red dots. Take it off, and that's what we're down to. And you can see it used to have 512 of them. Now it has 24. This is a good one. Auto simplify. So now it said, okay, 512 and it's got 18, and everything looks preserved. So in this scenario, I would hit okay. And now look at that. You've got, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up there. Compared to, what was it, 512. So yeah, we're good. Hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.